You cannot fight against poverty with prayer and fasting, but you can only fight against poverty with systems, disruptive systems, with smart technology, with smart avenues and smart platforms like Avain. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is going to be reign of financial freedom with Avain. And we have no other person all the way from the southern hemisphere, the marketplace apostle, the principality of network marketing. This gentleman is going to take us through the process and the procedure and the compensation plan and everything about this company. Guys, your guest and your prospect and your team are not here. You are going to miss. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the southern hemisphere, help me receive the only market lion, the only network market lion, in B, in Brown. We cannot wait to release and to receive your fire.
Papa Solo, no kill me.
Yeah.
The only principality of the network marketing space has spoken, guys.
I tell you.
Guys, I love this energy. I love this energy. I love it when men lead. And I thank God that in this platform of Zendex, I'm seeing men and women taking their place. And guys, oh boy, I'm so glad to be on this platform. And tonight, I'm coming in here to give it my best in unpacking this marketing plan of Avain, the best way I understand it. My name is Mr. For those of you who don't know me, they call me King Crown in the marketplace. And guys, believe you me, I've been around the block. But today I'm excited again that I've seen something that I believe genuinely from the depth of my heart is going to take me to the promised place. Guys, we have all been wounded. A lot of us are still bleeding from the wound. The truth of the matter is that the beat goes on. Life is a risk. Every day we wake up, waking up or going to bed is a risk. And at the end of the day, we have to take calculated risks. And here today, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Avain Inc, which is a powerful project in the online network marketing space, currently making waves across the globe. Now, who are we? The logo of this company, or the maxim or the war cry of this company, is redefining limits, quantum technology, and crypto excellence. Guys, I love this. I love this. I love this. Now, let's get started, guys. I'm going to keep it short and simple. And then at the end of the session, we leave the platform open for any question that anybody may have with regards to these projects. Now, we put up this disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen. The investment analysis of our Incorporated may not be suitable for all investors. If you doubt as to the merits of an investment, you should seek advice from an independent financial advisor. And with that said, also, guys, I also need to put it here on record. I am not an investment analyst, neither am I an investment advisor myself. Now, let's get started. Yes, so this basically is what we're going to be doing tonight, talking about what Avain is. And I'm going to read, but guys, please forgive me. I always say to people, sometimes these white paper take up a lot of time and we don't get the time to engage on the things that matter the most. I believe that the least anybody can do for himself before you put in any cent is to at least go through the PDF. So the information I'm going to read here is an information that is available to each and every individual. So because everybody is expected to go through this, to understand the project, to understand who is behind the company, what their vision and their mission is, what the roadmap of the company is, guys, I am not going to waste your time reading each and every one of these lines. But it's very important for me to talk on the basics. Avain Inc, we are a pioneering company that specializes in providing innovative technology services and a trusted cryptocurrency lending platform. Now, this is the principle of what we do. With a team of experienced professionals and forward-thinking vision, we aim to revolutionize the way individuals and businesses interact with digital assets. This company was founded in 2018, which is good, by a group of passionate and driven individuals who recognize the immense potential in the blockchain technology. Now, let's go to our mission. The company's mission is to empower individuals and businesses by providing them with the tools and services needed to harness the full potentials of cryptocurrencies. It doesn't matter in what dimension you are engaging in, this company will give you the resources for you to be able to tap in deeply and tap in on a very profitable level. Now, let's keep it going. So the registrations and regulations, Avain Inc. is incorporated in Finland and UK and is regulated and registered and regulated by the European Securities and Market Authority. And the FINFRA, which is the Financial Supervisory Authority that promotes the stability and trust of financial markets and the protection of customers, investors, and insured persons. Now, this is our trust and stability, what we're putting out there as a company. We understand that trust and stability are crucial when it comes to handling digital assets. That is why we have implemented robust security measures and adhere to industry best practices to ensure the safety of our users' funds and data. Our platform is built on a solid foundation of cutting-edge technology that undergoes regular security audits and updates, guaranteeing a secure and reliable environment for our valued clients. Now, let's keep it going, ladies and gentlemen, as we talk and unpack our corporate team. Now, here, ladies and gentlemen, is our managing director, Mr. Mike Martinez. Guys, brilliant gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. And like Papa Solo mentioned yesterday, or no, he said, Dr. Charles, that this man actually has a master's in business administration. Guys, I love it when the people at the helm of our affairs are not only people that are traceable, people with visible digital footprints, but also people who are authorities in their different areas of endeavor. So here, we not only have somebody with experience, we are also being led by somebody who has got the academic qualifications to be able to champion the affairs of this particular powerful project. We also have Mr. Greg States, who is our IT director. Guys, brilliant gentleman. He has been on our Zoom many times. For those of you who came into the Zoom on Sunday, I'm sure you did see him. And also, this man has got over 15 years in the technology sector. We also have in our team, Mr. Dan Lisandro. Guys, this gentleman, I love when he speaks his Portuguese. I don't understand anything, but guys, Portuguese is a language that if I have to learn one language, Portuguese is one of those. Now, let's go into what our product and services are. Now, the first product or the first project behind our company is what we call the Lendex protocol. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a protocol on an advanced level. Lendex protocol is a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity market protocol where users can participate as suppliers or borrowers. Suppliers provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers are able to borrow in an over-collateralized or under-collateralized fashion. Don't ask me what that means. And then we also have what we call the AVA tokens and liquidity pools and governance. Now, the AVA token is used as the center of gravity of the Lendex protocol governance. Guys, like I said before, one critical thing I know most people here are here for are to understand, Brown, what is this company coming from? Where are they coming from? What do they do? Who are the brains behind the company? And how can we make money? And guys, I can tell you here, this is about to get very exciting. So the Lendex protocol, the AVA token is used as the center of gravity of the Lendex protocol governance. AVAs are used to vote and decide on the outcome of the AVA improvement proposals. Apart from this, AVA can be staked within the protocol safety model to provide security and insurance to the protocol suppliers. Ladies and gentlemen, I say it again, for those of you who want to go through this word by word, please do lay your hands on the PDF document and acclimatize yourself, familiarize yourself with everything in between outside of what we're going to be presenting tonight. Now, we also have engaged in what we call the quantum computing on quantum algorithm. Guys, this is the part that excites me because we talk about the first industrial revolution, second, third, fourth. We are talking, when we're talking quantum computing, we are talking the fifth industrial revolution. We are talking AI. We are talking computing on next level. Ladies and gentlemen, Avain uses quantum computing and quantum algorithms to churn complex processes with a huge volume of market data in a shorter time with an accuracy rate of more than 99%. Now, we need to understand that when it comes to quantum computing, what will take an ordinary, what we call a fast computer, 1 hour, 2 hours to do, it can be done with quantum computing within seconds. And we are not outsourcing these results. We actually own this and we outsource it to other people, people who do AI trading and so on and so forth. Quantum computing is the bedrock when it comes to artificial intelligence, robots, and every other thing in between. And here, this is one of the major projects that we have underlying and undersigning what we do here at Avain Inc. Now, also we have what we call the Avain Gamify. Like, ladies and gentlemen, you will agree that Gamify is something that is current. A lot of people right now, they spend most of the time playing games and not making money. Gaming industry is one of the biggest industries we have right now. And Avain has tapped into that particular industry with this Avain Gamify. Avain Gamify is a concept gamify. Gamify stands as a combination of the word game and finance. In doing so, Gamify brings together blockchain technology, including NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and decentralization, and advanced gaming mechanics to create virtual environments where players can generate income from simply playing and enjoying their gaming experience. Guys, these things are futuristic. And for some of us who are a little bit old-fashioned guys, we still understand and appreciate the fact that when it comes to the gaming industry, you cannot fault how big this is. Now, we also have our Avain mobile app coming soon. Guys, from the last communication that I had in the groups, I think before the end of the month, we should have this mobile app available both on Android phones and also on Apple phones. We also have our crypto cards coming soon, guys, where you can load all your earnings, you can load all your cryptos and be able to access this money through any ATM, through any POS without having to go through your local bank. Guys, I'm looking forward to the launch of this particular one. Now, we move to the money part, ladies and gentlemen. For those of us here on the call, guys, I just want to see something. Okay. Yes, so now we go into the packages. Now, when we talk packages, we're talking about how do you partner with this powerful company called Avain. Now, Avain has made it available and live that take them to where they need to be. When it comes to packages is please don't come into a project that you expect to change your life. And the first question you want to ask is, what is the minimum package? That is a wrong mindset. Already, you have lost the plot with that question. The best question is to ask, which one is the best package to help me get that car, to help me get that house, to help me achieve those dreams? It's important for us to understand that phenomenon, because on the package side is where most people lose on their dreams. Now, how many packages do we have? We've got two kinds of packages here at Avain. The first one is what we call the basic package, and we also have what we call the premium packages. Basic package starts from as minimum as 25 US dollars, and we use the currency called USDT TRC20. So with $25 equivalent in USDT, you can come in here and partner with this company. So we have $25, $50, $100, $250, all the way to 5,000 US dollars. Now, these whole packages fall under the basic package. And we also have what we call the premium packages starting from 8,000 up to our maximum and best package of 50,000 USD. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the 50,000 US dollar package is the place to go, is the place to be. And for anybody and everybody who is serious about making money, do not get comfortable until you have locked your package on this particular account. Now, when you come in here on Avain, ladies and gentlemen, you earn what we call return on your capital. And I'm going to take us through that in the next slide to make you understand the different ways on how you make money. Now, that's talking about our compensation plan. We have what we call the return on capital. We have what we call the direct sponsor commission. We have what we call the binary commission, the residual income commission, the rank award commission, and we also have travel incentives also loaded on this platform. Now, let's go on the return on capital, ladies and gentlemen. This company says, Brown, we understand that right now, with the current atmosphere we have, a lot of people do not gravitate towards this industry of network marketing, which, for those of you who may not be aware, network marketing is one industry that produces the highest number of millionaires, more than any other industry in the world. And I'm sure a lot of us here are testament to that fact that we've seen people right under our watch who shot up to the top of their dreams by joining one or another network marketing company. Now, with most companies, if you don't recruit, making money becomes a pipe dream. But with this company called Avain, even if you don't want to talk to anybody, you can put your money to good use and let your money work for you. And I think for me, that's part of the definition of being a wealthy person, where you're not working for money, rather money is working for you. So we have what we call return on capital. And now this return on capital means that you can come in here, choose any package of your choice from $25 to $50,000 and put it on the system. You do not have to recruit if you don't want to recruit. Recruitment is a bonus. But once you bought that package, immediately starting from the following day, this company will start paying you a return, an interest on that particular amount you put in. Now, depending on what side of the divide with regards to the packages you fall on, the company will be paying you, if you're on the basic package, 1% every day. And if you're on the premium package, it will be paying you 1.5. I want to also show you again, before you forget, these are the basic packages from $25 to $5,000. And these are the premium packages from $8,000 to $50,000. So when you come in here on basic, you get 1% free day, Monday to Monday, meaning that every week you are guaranteed to get 7%. And then when you come in here on this premium package, you will be receiving 1.2, meaning that every week you are guaranteed to get 8.4% every week without recruiting anybody. If you do recruit, then that is a bonus. Now, I want to show you something very interesting. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, the company says to you, we will keep on paying you this amount or this percentage until you have made a total of 300% of whatever amount you came in with. Meaning, if you come in with $1,000, this company will be giving you 1%, 1%, which is $10, $10, $10, $10. Every week you are getting $70, and then until you have gotten back a total of $3,000, and then your contract will run up. It's up to you to buy another contract. You can buy multiple contracts on the same account. The company does not restrict you. What they restrict you is you can have multiple profiles and multiple packages on your main account. Yes, you can buy. Now, I want to show you something, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who are new on this platform, we also have a promo that the company is running, where the company says, for those of you who will join from now till the 31st of August, is it 31st of August? Okay. Maybe I put the wrong slide, but yeah, I got this from the group. But from standing, the promo is from the 5th of August, which is when we launched, till the 5th of September. The company will give you, if you are a basic, instead of getting 1% every day, the company will be giving you 1.5% every day. And if you are a premium, instead of you getting 1.2% every day, the company will be giving you 2% every day. And this promo, I think this one is the old one, this promo will run from the 5th right now till the 5th of September. So for those of you who are already part of this business, if you are sitting on a small package, I want you to understand that you are sitting on your money. Now let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. All right, so that one has taken care of the return on capital. I hope it's clear. For right now, till the 5th of September, if you are basic, you're getting 1.5 instead of 1%. And if you are premium, you're getting 2% instead of 1.2. Now, let's move to the next one. The next bonus we talk about is the direct sponsor commission. Now, direct sponsor commission, you get it every time you bring in somebody into the business and they sign up using your referral link. Now, the requirement for any direct sponsor commission is that you have to personally sponsor somebody on any package. It doesn't matter whether it's $25, it doesn't matter if it's $50,000. You earn 10% of the package value, meaning that if I sign up somebody and the person joins the $10,000, the company immediately in real time will pay me $1,000, which is 10% of 10,000. So as many people as you are able to bring into the business, the company will pay you this 10% every time anybody activates a package using your referral link. The one important thing, guys, is that if you have not bought your own package before sending people your link, even if they sign up with 50,000, you are not going to get a cent. So it's very important for you to, first of all, sign up, activate your own account before you start giving people the link. 10% is what you get on the direct referral bonus. Now, let's keep it going. The next bonus we talk about tonight is the binary commission. Ladies and gentlemen, here at Avain, we're using what we call the hybrid binary model, where you can bring in as many people as you can, but all these people will fall under two legs, your left leg and your right leg. Now, within these two legs, guys, at some stage, one of those legs will be stronger when it comes to business volumes that get in daily. So we say here, the requirement for you to earn your binary commission is that you must have accumulated group purchases from both the left and also the right team. The total purchase volume of this leg determines the commission you are given in a day. The weak leg will determine as your pay leg, and you earn 10% on that pay leg. Now, to break it down, let's say, for instance, guys, I come in, this is me here, and let's say I bring in two people, I bring John here, I bring James here. And then James go and bring his own, John go and bring his own. And then maybe also Joy tell me, Brown, I want to join your team. And then I plug Joy somewhere under John. And the team keeps growing. At the end of every day, the company will come back and check, okay, Brown, under this leg of how many worth of sales was produced for that day. If at the end of that day, $2,000 was produced from John and everybody under him, you can be able to see in your back office when you click on your genealogy tree. I'm not sure what it's called on our back office, but you can be able to see the total volume that is generated out of your legs. Now, if $2,000 was generated here and then under James, the people under James, including James, were able to generate a total sales of 3,000. It means that John brought in lesser sales than James. And the company will pay me 10% of whatever total volume is here under John. And with this particular analogy, under John, we've got a total sales of 2,000 US dollars, meaning this company at the end of the day will pay me 10% of that 2,000, which will translate $200. That is what I'm going to earn for that day in my binary. I hope this one is clear and straightforward. Now let's keep it going to the next bonus we have in the business, which is what we call the residual income. Now, the residual income, ladies and gentlemen, is an income that takes care of you after you've done all the hard work. The part on the back is an unnecessary bonus that, yes, we do have it here. And the company says that you 5% of your directly sponsored team total binary earning month. Now, let me break it down again. Let's say I come in here and I bring in, at the end of the day, I bring in 10 people. Some of them, because remember the residual income bonus is calculated only on what these people earn on their binary. Now, out of these 10 people that are brought in, I help them to make money. I help them to push their business. I help them to activate and train them, support them. Now, let's say number one person out of those 10 at the end of the month, he earned $5,000 from the binary commission. Number two earned 4,000. Number three earned 3,000. Number four, all the way to the 10 of them. At the end of the month, the company will say, Brown, how much did all these people earn from their binary? If you calculate the 10,000 plus the 4,000 plus that all these 10 people earn on their binary, this company every month on the 8th of the new month will pay me 5% of that. Meaning, if all these people, their total income that they earn from the binary, let's say, for instance, they made a total of $10,000 for that month. On the following month, on the 8th day of the new month, the company will pay me 5% of that 10,000 that all of them earn combined, which will be $500 that the company gives to me. It's a residual income. Now, leaders, imagine when your team, you support them and you help them to make money. For me, I want this 5% to translate to something solid. Because if my team is making zero, 5% of zero is still zero. So it is in your best interest to help and support your team to grow, because the more money they make, the more this percentage will translate to at the end of the day. So this one here, guys, is going to force leaders to go into their team, to help their team to make money, to develop and support their team, and forget this thing about being a selfish leader where you come in, you plug your mom, dad, ancestors, and everybody in the system. Here, we want to see people win, and we want to make sure that the more they win, the more we make out of this residual income. And then the next one, ladies and gentlemen, is our rank award bonus. The rank award is 90-day rollover, determined by a continuous 90-day total binary income. Now, let me break it down the way I understand it. Now, today being the 15th, let's say you come into the business today. Your day one is today. The company gives you 90 days to accumulate from your binary the needed earnings to move you up a rank. Now, these are the ranks. These are the ranks. We have the first rank here, we call the associate. The second rank, we call the builder. The third rank, we call the sapphire, ruby, emerald, diamond, blue diamond, black diamond, and the last one being the crown diamond. Now, how do you move up these ranks? Let's say, for instance, I come into the business today being the 15th of August. The company gives me 90 days for me to move up a rank. What does that mean? It means that I joined today. Today is my day one. Let's say I hit the ground running and I made $10 today. And then tomorrow, being 16th, is my day two. By the 15th of September, it's my 30th day in the business. By the 15th of October, it's my 60th day in the business. By the 15th of November, it's my 90-day cycle. And with 90 days, I should have accumulated in my binary earnings a total of $1,000 for me to move up a rank. Now, what happens if at the end of the 15th of November, I have not earned enough for me to move up this rank? The company says, Brown, we will now allow you to go into the 16th of November, which now is the 91st day. But the first day being today, we drop from my system, meaning that whatever I earn today, we drop, but what I will earn on the 16th of November, which is the 91st day, will be added. Now, let me break it down even further. Let us say maybe at the end of the 15th of November, I have not earned $1,000 from my binary, that I've earned $970. Remember, today being the first day, I earned $10. By the 15th, I've earned $970, $30 short. What is going to happen? Moving into the 16th of November, which is my 91st day in the business, the company will drop that $10 I made today. Meaning, if on the 91st day, I was able to make $40 in earning from my binary, it will now add to the 90 $570 minus the $10 that I dropped today. Guys, I'm confusing. But maybe I can't wait for training. Papa Solo, you must make us available those sessions where we'll do back office training and stuff. I want to break this down in a spreadsheet where people will understand it more. But I think it's getting clearer for each new presentation. So 90 days is what you need. Now, Brown, what happens for those people who have smashed first rank, second rank, and third rank? Now, let's say in my first week, I smashed rank number 1. The day I smashed rank number one, the first thing that will happen is that instantly the cash reward of 250 will be dropped into my back office. The next thing that will happen is that the 90-day counter will be reset to 0 again. I'm going to start again from day 1, going for rank number 2. If at the end of 1 month I smash rank number 2 again, the company immediately will pay me the $500, and then my rank timer will be reset to 0 again. And so, guys, it keeps on for every time you hit a rank. The company gives you 90 days for you to smash a rank. Guys, I love this, and it ties into one of my biggest convictions with this project, which is the factor of sustainability. This will help the company to sustain in the long run. And like we said, success loves speed. So for those of us who love money, I love money so much, guys, we need to understand the element of time in this particular project, whereby you run and you don't let anything distract you. So for every rank you smash, the company instantly will drop to you a cash reward. Of course, there is an alternative price for those who are interested in the pricing. For me and my family, guys, my eye are on this money that the company gives you. So for every rank you smash, until you get to the highest rank, which is the crown diamond, where you have earned a total of $1 million from your binary in a 30-day time. The company will also, over and above this 1 million, give you extra 200,000 US dollars as a cash reward incentive. Guys, this is very exciting. I can't pray for the day that not just me, but my team will be able to celebrate and say that in a space of 90 days, we have made 1 million US dollars. I've seen it happen in other projects, and I know in this particular project, we're going to have more like this. Now, we also have what we call international paid travels here at Avain. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to pull up a slide that is relevant to us here in the African market, where the company says that we have a promo to go to Mauritius. Guys, Mauritius is a beautiful place. Hey, guys, this place you need to visit here. Even if you say, I don't like traveling, guys, not with Mauritius. This is a must visit in a lifetime. I encourage anybody here, and guys, I want to encourage you one thing. Once you qualify for a trip in any network marketing company, your business will skyrocket. The moment you come back, people are signing up left, right, and center. It is important for us, not just for the exposure, but also for us to use this platform to launch our business. Now, how do you qualify? The company says that from the 7th of August, which is when we launched, till the last day of September, the company is asking you to bring in direct sales of $20,000 in direct sales, and you qualify for 1 ticket. If perhaps you are able to double the points, the company says the maximum one account can get is 2 tickets, meaning that if you're able to bring in $40,000 worth of sales, you will get 2 tickets to take a partner of your choice. It's not compulsory, it must be your wife or your husband. It is a partner of your choice. That's what the company said in their policy. Now, how do you qualify? It means that if you bring in somebody who joins with the 50,000 package, automatically, ladies and gentlemen, you've got 2 tickets in the back. I want to see as many of us, for me and my team, this is the first project. We are not gunning for this crown diamond yet. We are taking it 1 goal at a time, and the goal is to make sure that as many people as possible are qualifying for the international trip. That is going to be messy. It is good. The world we know that Avain is here. Make sure, no matter what you do, push come in with $1, you also qualify. That is why nobody can come in here and afford hands. Push, get 2 tickets, give one of those tickets to one of the leaders in your team. And that's how we grow and lifting others. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I think I've come to the end of this session. Completely, I want to read some of the rules of the company, some of their guidelines, and I think it's interesting for some of us to understand these things. All right, so these are the general rules of the company. You can purchase packages at using only USDT TRC20. Daily binary cappings is equivalent to your package value. It's very understand this is the maximum you can earn on your binary every day exceed your package. If you come in with $25 package, ladies and gentlemen, you can't earn more than $25 in a day from the binary. The account is renewed after every 300% of your package value. All commissions are inclusive. And the minimum withdrawal in our system is $25. The withdrawal fee is 5%. And also, withdrawals are active every day, guys. Today, I made my first withdrawal. Believe it, don't believe it, guys. That thing, the moment I click withdraw, and I'm talking about real story, I click withdraw, it's not even 20 seconds. I'm seeing notification from my Clever. Like, what? Guys, it is not even 1 minute. I've never seen anything. Maybe it has to do with the quantum computing, because we are talking about the best in the industry. We are talking about a system that processes what takes other people hours to do. Our own company processes it in a couple of seconds. I have seen that evident whether you are withdrawing or whether you are depositing on our system. Seconds. So withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. We put that as a caveat. But guys, I can tell you, so far, see anybody in the group who said that their withdrawal is pending. We don't have pending here. It is right on spot. So return on capital is withdrawn on Saturdays and Sundays and Mondays, meaning that your return on capital only withdrawn 3 days a week, Saturday, Sunday, and Mondays. And return on capital bonuses are released daily at 00 EEST. We also have our binary paid at the same time every day, and rank bonus qualification is on a 90-day rollover determined by a continuous. Yes, this one we have already explained. And yes, with that, ladies and gentlemen, I've come to the end of the presentation. Thank you so much, Papa Solo, for the honor and the privilege of leading this charge here tonight. It's an honor. Thank you so much.
Can be. I mean, I can't be tired listening to you, brother. I can't be. I can't be tired listening to you. I mean, I'm always, my adrenaline and my attention is abrupt anytime I'm listening to you. Thank you so much for this wonderful presentation. Thank you so much for this wonderful explanation. To be honest with you, I'm learning a lot from you. You know, I believe in one thing: ignorance on fire is better than knowledge on ice. I'm running with ignorance on fire. All I know is that, hey, I'm getting paid, and people are going to get paid. People's life will change, and I'm learning in the process. And I strongly to begin to present. Some of you are analysts, some of you are researchers, some of you are detailers, some of you are people that can criticize and bring out the best out of the West. Guys, let's all come out and let's all share our thought. Thank you so much, Kim Brown. It's a privilege, it's an honor, all of us having you. I mean, the gatekeeper of network marketing in Africa, to present to us. We don't take it for granted, sir. We respect you and we say thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Master. Thank you so much.
Before we leave, I think we have wonderful coaches here, and I think good to let them say something small, especially about their experience. But before, listen, guys, we have 3 categories of people on this platform. We have 3 categories of people on this platform. Number 1, we have those doing yesterday's things today, and we have those things today. And then we have those doing tomorrow's things today. Listen to me. With Avain, we are doing tomorrow's things today. That is why most of the things doesn't sound correct. It doesn't even make sense to you. What is quantum computers? What is lenders protocol? What is smart contract? What is decentralization? Let me tell you, that is the future. That is the future. Don't be confused. It's better you are ignorant and on fire than try to get everything and dormant, because fire is what brings out the result. If you are here, you still haven't activated your account. You haven't funded your account. Guys, you are losing money. You are losing money, because from next week, mark my word, we are going to see what we call the storming of financial income and bonuses. People are going to withdraw, 5 figures, 6 figures, and it's coming. It's coming. Please be part. Please be part. You can only be part when you fund your account. Even if you were sponsored with a corporate account or with a leader's account, fund it again. Put something inside. Put $100 there. Put $50 there. Put $500 there. Just open up every medium of income and bonuses and commissions on this platform. Leave no stone unturned. Ladies and gentlemen, we have one of the finest, we have one of the best in Africa in our midst. I love him so much because when it comes to digitalization and promoting things, he's a voice in the industry. And today we are blessed to have Dr. Charles, all the way from South Africa, to tell us something small about his experience so far and his recommendation of Avain. Dr. Charles, over to you if you can hear me.
Oh yes, it's exciting. Actually, I'm super excited. One of the greatest things that I've seen, before you get even into the whole presentation, I saw something that is written at the top, redefining limits.
Yep.
And it also talks about crypto excellence. It also talks about quantum technology. I put them together, and it sounded like redefining limits through quantum technology to achieve crypto excellence. Right. Now,
I love that.
when you listen to the presenter, the one and only king in Africa who can present as if it's his first time, he will present it the same way yesterday, the other day, and the other day, the same way as if he's plugged onto some, electricity is plugged on some computer. I guess I now know why he does that. He's already in that mode of quantum technology. He does not forget what he said yesterday, and he says it exactly in the same depth, the same passion, with the same level of excellence. Let me take this opportunity to thank my presenter for tonight, and well done, and I really enjoy your presentation. And I want to come back to the community and say, guys, your attendance is so motivational. I was at meeting and at meeting and at meeting a lot of you guys, and guess what? Always encouraging to see a lot of top leaders joining the meeting. And the good part of the journey is we are all focused on reaching crypto excellence, taking advantage of quantum technology, thereby redefining the limits. I also went one step further, and I was trying to figure out this word called excellence. I like it, and today I want you to go back knowing excellence is not being the best, but excellence, it is doing your best. That's what we call excellence. Doing the best is not being the best. And guess what? If you are going to keep on sending the same information every day, every week, every month, in the next 4 weeks, you will see certain ranks being smashed as if they never existed. In the next 4 months, you will see brand new cars, brand new houses being bought as if they were pre-planned. I want you to know, the more you keep on doing your best, you are excellent already. The more you keep on doing your best, you are already on the way to that desire, that new limit that we are trying to define. I want to challenge you tonight before we go and say our motto is very simple. We are redefining the limits. What does that mean? We are introducing new millionaires. We are introducing new description of what a millionaire looks like in dollars. And guess what? You could be part and parcel of that team because you are a pioneer. you are one of those few people who managed to get plugged in within the first month, guess what? This could be your year. Nobody else can beat what you can do if you keep on doing your best. I see you right at the top. That's where you belong. And for sure, crypto excellence is exactly your portion. See you tomorrow. See you in our next Zoom. And I believe we will still be enjoying like we've been doing today. Thank you so much, leadership.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Charles. Is always, humbling the list. I want the women to come up. I want women to start doing presentations. So Penny, start gathering the women. Next week, we want to hear the voices of, Monday to Friday. To be exciting that we, the guys, we sit down and enjoy our ladies present. Our ladies want you to present. Okay, so Penny, if you are there, over to you. I want you to share your thoughts so far and your experience so far. I know you are withdrawing. I know every morning after your morning devotion, you withdraw. Penny, start sharing, start screenshotting and sharing your withdrawals. You don't like sharing your withdrawals. Why? Please, next week, Penny, gather all the women. You ladies are going to do the presentation. We guys want to talk and watch you. Penny, if you are there, if you can hear my voice, over to you.
Leader Penny, you can raise your hand.
I strongly, I think we have lost her.
Okay, Dr. Charles, I'm not sure if we lost Papa Solo, the one who got lost.
No, I think we are losing
11?
him on network. I think the network in Ghana today is not so friendly, because that's why we also lost Leader Penny.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, Papa Solo, your network is breaking. Okay, leaders, while we're waiting for Papa Solo to come back on, if any of you has any question, please do raise your hand. We will unmute you. You can take a question or two for tonight, and then we'll call it wraps. Any question you may have?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now, Master. We can hear you.
All right. So I want, before we take the questions, can we have a feedback from Nigeria? What is happening in Nigeria so far? Last Saturday, they had a wonderful presentation. Leader Evans is here. Yesterday, we couldn't get him because he was traveling. Evans, if you are here, can you unmute yourself and give us update from Nigeria?
Wow.
Coach
King
Evans.
B, you've done it again.
Coach Evans.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
we can hear you.
King B, you have done it again. Oh, really, I can give it to you 100. Well, like a Nigerian. Are you a Nigerian?
Yes, I am.
I've been here in South Africa for so long. I thought as much, Honestly speaking, you've really done justice to that presentation there. Of course, that's why you say the best person to explain a thing is the person who has experience on it. And from the first presentation I listened from you on Sunday, the energy you exerted today is not as much as what you did. And the energy you exerted on Sunday is not as much as what you did today. Meaning that the more money enters your pocket, the more energy comes up from you. Thank you very much for that presentation. Now, leaders in the house, everyone in the house, the die cast already. This is one of the best things that has happened to us recently. Like Papa Solo said, we in the industry of doing tomorrow's things today. Don't be amongst those who do yesterday's things today. Yeah, just most of you. Some people always ask me, say, what kind of business are they doing? What are they doing to generate? That's the question I always get on daily basis. What are they really? Can you explain quantum computing? Explain Lender's protocol. You must not know all to make money out of it. Ignorance on fire, like Papa Solo said, is better than knowledge on ice. The most important thing is that you're making money from the process. You must not wait to understand. By the time you wait to understand everything, it may be too late for you. Why not you take your position, buy a package, and watch how things, by the time you make money, you will be more devoted to know how it works. That is my own admonition for everyone that is not yet, that does not yet have an account now. If you are yet to, please do well to go back to the person who invited you to this forum to take you through on how to get an account, no matter how little. If you cannot fly here, you should be able to run. The system has given us a level playing ground for everyone to start. So starting the money to start shouldn't be a problem. If you cannot do 50,000, do 40, do 30, do 20, do 20, do 15, do 10. Even if in the worst case scenario you don't have money to start with the lowest. At the end of the day, it will be counted for you that you have started something. And of course, that's what God is actually waiting to bless you. He wants you to start something, no matter how small, so that by tomorrow you will have a testimony to share. Well, thank you very much for giving me this audience. Let me permit others to speak. Thank you.
Hello. Boss babe. Hello.
Thank you, Coach Evans. Thank you. Yeah. Boss babe, over to you. We miss your voice.
Yes. Good evening, my ladies and ladies and gentlemen, translators here. I'm in love with the presentation done by King B. It's so.
Is that my network or her network?
No, I think Ghana network today has got issues. Yeah.
Is that my network or her network?
Both your
network.
Ghana,
it's raining in Accra, so our network is in a mess. Boss babe, can you adjust yourself and come again? We can't hear you.
I think our network is not good, so we can go on.
Dr. Charles, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Very well. I can hear you very well,
okay.
But I think her network was bad. Her network was very bad. So
yeah,
I think that's why we lost it.
Yeah, it's rather unfortunate. Tomorrow we should be settled. Today it's raining in Accra, so our network is messing up. It's rather unfortunate that our boss babe has been kicked out of the Zoom. She's not even here anymore. I think let's take two questions and then we run away. 2 questions, then run away. Dr. Charles, since your internet is stable, can you coordinate? Please coordinate the question time and let Dr. Charles coordinate that. 2 questions, then we run away for tonight. Okay.
So far so good. I don't see any hand.
Yeah, I think so. In the absence of any question, I think we can call it bye-bye for now. But tomorrow, I want to do a breakfast meet. Fast call. I'm going to share the link very soon. It's going to be at 10 o'clock South African time. It's going to be breakfast on Zoom. Only those who can wake up early can join us. It's just 30 minutes to 45 minutes, then we are done. Guys, thank you so much. I want to see you where the eagles fly, because that's where we are flying. And then listen, this is Avain, Ray of Money. God bless you all. We love you all. Bye-bye for now.